Beauty Smoothie Cantaloupe Melon by Lax Slim. Let's talk about this product. It's amazing. So hi my loves, my name is Ruby. Welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post video. So for today's video, let's review this particular products. And if you are into smoothie and cantaloupe melon drinks, this is really great. Ganahan kag smoothie kani sayo na kayo gamon, and the health benefits. This particular product really helps my skin because you know what? This one has a collagen in this smoothie, and it tastes so good. So I'm gonna show you how to prepare it. I usually prepare this sa hot water. So I have nag-prepare jud kog hot water daan. Hot water gamay lang siya. And then also nag-prepare po ko og ice water na siya water with I put ice kay smoothie lagi. So ang iyahang no happy na gay mahulurot na happy na jud mahulurot kay sige na nako naginom. So before I do the review, ako sa jung it taste kuan kanang kadaghan para maka kuan jud ko unsay difference na ang effects akong body anang sa ako ba and my experience, and also the taste of it. For me hapong mag-review ko product kinahanglan I use it for at least a month minimum na siya. Madili mo say mo 3 months or 4 months jud ang ako ang kuan usa ako makaingon, oh, this product is good. So anyway, I'm gonna say this product is good. I've been using this for I've been drinking this for a while now. So you can see hapit na mahurot. Actually, I bought mga 5 ingani, half kilo, kay nag-sale sila ato nga time. So, nipalit ko niya akong ba nakahilig kay siya. Ganan siya ani nga kanang cantaloupe melon nga smoothie by Lax Slim. Naong how to preparation. Dissolve 4 scoops or 4.5 teaspoon into hot or cold water. So, daghan na mga ini. So, I'm gonna dissolve 1 sa hot water first. 2, 3, 4. So, upat. And then, yeah, this is how I prepare this smoothie drink. And then, let's mix it. I like it to mix it sa hot water first kay dali ra siyang matunaw iyang powder. Ayan. Ayan, mo na siya. And then, kanang samot kung magdali ka or naka sa opisina ya ganahan kag smoothie ug naamoy katong kani pang mix, then that would be good. But I think we have it pero nang wala na ko kakitag asa. So mo ni atong water. So nadaghanan ra atong cold water so para di siya moawas. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna transfer it. See? Dali ra siyang ma-dissolve, my loves. Pag hot water imong gamiton. Ayan, as you can see. And if naamoy whipped cream, this would be nice. Let's try it. Refreshing. Yeah, samot karon nga summer. Oh my God. And then, na-stuck ka sa imong office, di ka kagawas. Just buy this and make it on your own. Makasib pa ka money. It's really good. So now, let's talk about the benefits of this one. So, the benefit of this one, this is Beauty Smoothie, kay na siya collagen. So, these are the ingredients. And it's sweet, but they use stevia, so it's really good. So these are the ingredients: hydrolyzed marine collagen, cantaloupe melon, honeydew melon, reduced L-glutathione, and one thing I like, they use almond milk, and almond milk is really good. Stevia, peach, banana, lemon, L-carnitine, that's really good also to your skin. Green tea, Garcinia cambodia, That's why this one is really good because it will give you appetite suppressant. Kung imno nini mo siya mabuntag, danang dili ka gutomon hantud na mga kuan, mga pila ka oras. Dili ka bati og gutom kay it suppress your appetite. And grape seeds. So these are the ingredients of this product. That's why it's really good. Glutathione, it's really good for our skin. And the collagen also. I noticed when I drink this one, dili ko daling gutomon. And also, this one doesn't makes me go to the bathroom. Di ba kanang mga, kanang appetite suppressant, di ba dali ang moinom kag mga ingana, tea or kanang mga other drinks like coffee, nga na ay mga appetite suppressant, magkuan siya ka ng you go to the bathroom. This one, dili ka moag to sa bathroom. And that's why one thing I like about this one. And not only appetite suppressant, vitamin C, 40% ani siya. So this is the Beauty Smoothie Cantaloupe Melon. And kabalo ba ka pila ang ilahang hydrolyzed collagen ani? Collagen is really good for your skin and for your hair. And yeah, you know how much? It is 80,000 mg hydrolyzed marine collagen. But one thing is, I like this product. Kay dili ko gutomon dali-dali. And yes, and it really helps my skin so soft. And I think it really helps my hair also. That's what I noticed. One thing po ganahan ako ani niya, it's I feel like more energy when I drink this one. That's what I noticed po. Kana naong depende man ta, effects may vary man sa different individuals. So, and then anang comment down below kung sa effects sa inyo ha. Kaya ang effect sa aqua is dili ko gutomon dayon, and of course 40% vitamin C. That's really good to kuan hanang helps your immune system, vitamin C. And yeah, so for me, this is the best smoothie I've ever tried for so far. I like this one because there's a lot of health benefits, especially vitamin C and collagen, and also glutathione, because it's really help for my skin and for my hair. It makes my skin so soft, and my hair it looks so healthy. So yes, and also the vitamin C, as I said. And it tastes so good. It tastes really good. And yes, and they have kuan katong coffee macchiato nila. And I saw there's a lot of reviews nga they lose weight na bawasan sila weight. Katong niinom ko ato niya, kuan siya kana naong I lose pila ka pounds ato, pero niundang kong inom og coffee kay kana naong nag-tea naman ko, wala ko nag-take og coffee. So, munang kanina pula man akong gi-take. Kanina pula akong giinom. Kay, I feel like it's really good for my skin. I see how my skin very glowy, and and also sa lotion po akong gigamit, but I feel like this one helps also. So, yes, you should grab it. This is really good. So, honest review, I like this kay it helps sa akong skin. I've been using for a month. I feel like my skin is so soft and also hydrated, and my hair it looks so healthy. And yeah, it's I feel like it really helps me. And about the kuan, dili ko gutomon kayo. One thing manggod kay dili ko gutomon dayon, but ako manggod is I'm a food lover. Kung siguro kung mag-diet pug ka, like for example kay di mga gutomon dayo kayo, siguro kung magkuan ka kananaong calorie deficit ka o mag-calorie deficit ka o less calorie. Kaya ako manggod po, dili ko dayon gutomon, pero pag mukaon po ko, daghan po na ko kaon. So, manang siguro ako ni lose weight. So, that's my honest review about this product. So, ang iyang main purpose gudani, this one, Beauty Smoothie Cantaloupe Melon Premium Collagen from Japan. Beauty Smoothie Cantaloupe Melon is a healthy and beauty drink that combines the powerful properties of hydrolyzed marine collagen, glutathione, Garcinia cambogia, L-carnitine, loaded with natural whitening and slimming ingredients. The slimming part is the Garcinia cambodia. Beauty smoothie helps strengthen the body against free radicals, lightens skin tone, and promotes younger looking skin. Yes, kanang I feel like I'm very glowy. Yun lang. Yum. So, yun lang, my loves, and thanks again for watching. See you on my next vlog. Comment down below which or what are the products you want me to try and review. So, yeah. So, thanks again for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!